Would I think of His commandments and try harder to be true? Would I follow His example? Would I live more righteously if I could see the Savior standing nigh, watching over me? If the Savior stood beside me, would I say the things I say? Would my words be true and kind if He was never far away? Would I try to share the gospel? Would I speak more reverently if I could see the Savior standing nigh, watching over me? He is always near me, though I do not see Him there. And because He loves me dearly, I am in His watchful care. So I'll be the kind of person that I know I like to be if I could see the Savior standing nigh, watching
I know that my Redeemer lives. What comfort this sweet sentence gives. He lives who once was dead. He lives, my ever-living head. He lives to bless me with His love. He lives to plead for me above. He lives, my hungry soul to feed. He lives to bless in time of need. He lives to grant me rich supply. He lives to guide me with His eye. He lives to comfort me when fears. He lives to hear my soul's complaint. He lives to silence all my fears. He lives to wipe away my tears. He lives my troubled heart. He lives, all blessings to impart. He lives, my kind, wise, heavenly friend. He lives and loves me till the end. He lives, and while he lives, I'll sing. He lives, my prophet, priest, and king. He lives and grants me daily breath. He lives, and I shall conquer death. He lives, my mansion to prepare. He lives to bring me safely there. All glory to his name. He lives, my Savior, still the same. Oh, sweet the joy this sentence gives. I know that my Redeemer lives. He lives, all glory to his name. He lives, my Savior, still the same. Oh, sweet the joy this sentence gives. I know that my Redeemer lives.